Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Haka jinge kren margilat pathai kubor haka janmer arpusan terik ujemang arja arpun rio uba Vivek's aim IPS SP ke East Khasi Hills District ulapin tip bagi board Pulit kirang penlong ke jing Thwet ikibadan kti Pynpait yet bat Khura ya kakali u Reverend McDonald Pingrop uba Vivek ulo ong ba ampat la ban ong ba kala ban day tang ke jing khanra ban tu ni don daki way pat ki jing thmu kate ke jing japin julor kali utai pastor ke balang Presbyterian maukhal kelapin mi jing kren hadian bala suba ba ke ni jing thambor kala ban day bat ke jing khun persha jong u ya ki kambam sap hapo ke balang kani ka kali bolero jong pastor kala sha pin julor ha ka jan mi jong ka arp south rik ujemang arja arpun rio kani ke jing jala shim ba kala ban long ke jing shim kaput halor ke jing ujor ba pastor ulada mudoi menshwa badru ke jing sei pat ba jong u ki kambam sap pisa hapo ke balang Presbyterian maukhar u pastor relate ban ujor ke FIR halum Dingri police station halor ke jing sha pin julor ka kali jong u bala pin yeng hajan ke jing Kyrwoh khra halau mali pilun hakate ka por la ong ba pastor udang lit shimbenta ha ke jing seng yeng hayeng jong weu de khot balang hawa ing do Henry hadian ba ula poi hajau pedeng ula lap bala pin julor ka kali jong u kat kum ke jing thu jong o la pen prai ke yet kali ke bashadien Henry om sham na dan ke no ke jing lutie ki mar ki badan hapo kali o pastor la suba ba ki Runar ki wat thek ye ki kot ki slai ki bede mat ka special audit report ulo ong ru ba suba jor ba ke ni ke jing pen julor kala bane de mat ke FIR bolo dap mudoi ha ka khat ar thek ujemang arja arpun rio halor ki jing ke no bam sap ya ka pisa jong ka balang.
So yesterday in the evening at about 9:30 we got an information that Pastor McDonald Pungrop's white Bolero, which was parked alongside the road at Windor, was vandalized. The rear glass of the vehicle was broken, and for that he has filed an FIR at Lumidri, and the same was treated as a zero FIR and which was transferred to Sadar. So Sadar Police Station has taken up a non-cognizable case whereby it's going to be registered after cognizance is received from court. Police is making all efforts to find out the culprit. We also trying to ascertain whether the culprit had intentions of stealing from, because there were things inside the vehicle, and or whether it had ulterior motives. There's a rift in the church, but we will be able to ascertain after we investigate the matter whether it has to do with the rift in the church or whether it is a simple case of crime against property.
The same pastor had to file FIR on the corruption issue?
Yes, he was the same person.
What is the update on that?
Well, the first case has been charge sheeted, where about 3 crores was found missing. Pastor McDonald has filed an additional FIR that about 4 crores, over 4 crores has been misappropriated. We have taken up that matter with the court, and court has given us direction that it will still continue with the same case only, and in case any new events or evidence crops up, then it's going to be continued with the same investigation.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.